All right, my new tool I gave you is a a subtraction or addition map. So when you have to regroup, it's easier. So let's use the addition side first. Erase your addition side. Just go sit down and sit. On the addition side, my problem is Johnny has 646 raspberries. And Jack has 136 raspberries. How many raspberries do they have altogether? So that how many and altogether tells us we're going to use our addition, right? So what was the number of raspberries Johnny had? 646. I'm going to write that in this box here. 646. How many did Jack have? 136. Do you see how I wrote that in there? So then I can go 6 plus 6 is. So put my 2 down here and my 1 up in that gray box. 1 plus 4 plus 3 is 8. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, that's how you use that side. You can erase. Pretty easy to use that side. On the other side, on the subtraction side, let me think of a problem. Okay, Chloe has 500. That's a lot of 500 rocks in her rock collection.
Whoa, Chloe, you must like to eat.
She decided to get rid of 199 of them because they were taking up too much space. So get rid of, I heard get rid of, that tells me I need a subtraction. So 500 minus 199, right?
That's super easy.
0 take away 9. Can I do that? I can put 9 here, right? I can? You sure? Well, I can't borrow from the tens place. So I have to go all the way to the hundreds place to borrow. So I'm going to change that to a 4. And I'm pretty smart, and I know 9 tens and 10 ones equal 100. So 10 take away 9 is? 9 take away 9 is? 4 take away 1 is? 3. So this tool will help you do some stacking up math if you need to. Instead of your whiteboard, it gives you the boxes so you don't lose your place. I still highly encourage you to do your work on your paper, but if you want another tool, I wanted to provide you with one. Okay? So, tools are nice to help us. We are going to be talking about measuring. We are going to talk about inches, feet, and yards today. So, apparently I'm on the wrong lesson. So, I need your help. How many inches are in a foot? Bentley? Huh. So there are 12 inches in 1 foot. These are abbreviations for inches and feet. Okay? How many feet are in a yard? Bentley's pretty confident. How many is it, Bentley? There are 3 feet.
What page are we on?
In 1, yard. So, how many inches are in 1 yard?
17.
Jack? 36. How did you figure that out? Oh, 12 inches and 12 inches. So 12 plus 12 plus 12 equals 36 inches. I need you to take out your ruler from your desk. And on page 187, there is a little pencil in your book on page 187. I would like somebody to measure it. Make sure when you're measuring, you start at the, do you start at the very end of the ruler? No. You need to start at the line that has the 0. I want to make sure you know which side's inches and centimeters. This is inches. 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 Yep. So yours, you do start on the edge. But some of them have a little line that they start on. So you start out your line. Okay? You good? You know what you're doing? You know what you're doing? You know how to use a ruler? You don't know where your ruler is? Okay, I'm not sure if you actually have to have it for the assignment. If you do, you can come borrow one. Okay. All right. I want you to hold your ruler, put your ruler on your desk, and measure how many inches of your ruler. I want you to put your finger, try and balance your ruler on your finger. How many inches are on each side of your ruler? 6 inches. Because 6 inches is half of 1 foot. Yes, please. All right, I got a tricky question for you. How many yards would I have if I have 6 rulers? How many yards would I have if I have 6 rulers? Your ruler is about 1 foot. So, how many yards? Jacob? It's 6 feet, which is how much? Chase, how many yards? 2 yards. All right. I think you are good to go on the measuring. So let's correct assignment on page 31. Let's correct this lesson 33 real quick. Read. You are reading if you are done. Okay, guys? I'm getting your math assignments. Hold on. All right. Why are you all by Bentley's desk? Mason, you haven't turned in your math yet. Math. I have a no-name math assignment.
That's mine.
This is you?
Let me see.
Aubrey. Yes, you may. That's fine. For a minute.
I got it.
Chase. Here's your other assignments that you did that you don't need. Jack. Sophia. Micah. Micah. All right. So while we're correcting, do you need to be looking at other things? No. All right. Number 1. What coins, do you notice the word coins, should Rosemary get back for change? Jack. Jack. It is not 10 cents. Listen to the question. What coins should Rosemary get back? Jacob, 1 dime. Okay. Number 2. 132 pages.
Oh, I didn't put the page. Facebook pages.
Pages. P-A-G-E-S. Pages. Because there's more than one. Yes. Number 3. Everybody should have got that right. What is it? $700. Make sure you have a dollar sign. Number 4. Estimate the difference.
No.
So what is the difference? That word difference means we need to subtract. Sophia? 200. 200. For number 4, it's 200. Okay, guys, it's just 200. You could have wrote the 900 minus 700 equals 200. That's fine. That's just showing your work. Why did we round first? What word did we hear? What math word? We rounded because we didn't hear round. We rounded because we heard the word estimate. So that means it's about. And about means rounding. And then we heard the word difference. And difference means subtracting. So we have to listen for those math words in our problem. What is number 5? Who wants to tell me? 120. Good. Number 6.
Penny, nickel, dime, quarter.
Perfect. What is the fraction? Why'd you go backwards? Because it says from least to greatest.
I started on this side then.
Oh, really? Number 7. Yes. Shade 2 fourths.
No, this one.
Count by 5s on all the toes of the socks. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 8 tenths is 7. 8 over 10. Next 4 numbers in the sequence. On number 7 was 8 over 10. 8, it's a fraction. 8 over 10. 7 is 42, or 8 is 42, 48, 54, 60. 9, 450, 475, 500, 525.
Wait, what was the
Micah.
What was number 9 and 7?
7 was 8 over 10. 8, 42, 48, 54, 60. 9, 450, 475, 500, 525. Yes.
Wait, what's the last one?
On which one?
Number 9.
450, 475, 500, 525. All right, on to the back, or on to number 10. You had to add 3 numbers. 148 cents or $1.48. So you put a cent sign at the end? That's fine. If you wrote it with a dollar point, it should be dollar sign, 1, decimal point, 48. Make sense? Okay. 11 is $23.
My mom said she got it wrong the first time, but she actually did get it right.
Number 12 is $9.07. 11 was $23. Number 12 is $9.07. We good? We ready for 13? 35. 14. 36. They were getting ready for adding feet today, apparently. Number 15, $820. Okay. 13, 35. 14, 36.
What's 12?
15, $820.
What's number 12?
Back to 12, $9.07.
Yes.
Okay, are we ready for 16?
Yes. 1.
All right, 1 is the answer for 16. All right, 17. Some of you were a little tricked by this one.
I know. It's
600 plus 5.
Oh, I was right. That was easy. I did it.
If there's a 0 in a position, we don't need to write anything for it. So even if the number gets like really long, like this, I don't need to write numbers for that. I would write 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 5. Okay? Make sense? All right. Number 18 is 86 cents. 86. Some of you guys, I confused you. I told you it was a dime and it was 5 cents. It said 5 cents right on it. So it's a quarter, and 2 nickels and a penny. So some of you I confused and said that 1 coin was a dime when it was a nickel. I didn't look at it close enough. So if you wrote 96 cents because if you wrote 91 cents because you thought that one was a dime, that's my fault. You can check it right. That's fine.
I put 86.
So on the odometer, you should have had 12,350 written. The odometer should look like this. 12,350. And then writing that in words. $12,000, comma 300. I can't spell today. And 50. 350. Yeah, you should write and. It's proper.
Oh, I don't have enough room for that.
Oh wait, no, you don't need and.
Yay!
It's not proper. I was wrong. 350. You can just erase your and. Yep. All right, and number 20. You should have a box-looking picture.
I put 8 blocks east.
And 8 steps east. It was steps, not blocks.
I put 8 steps. I said 8 blocks. I said 8. I only got 8 steps. I only got 3 blocks.
That's not bad.
I got 2 wrong. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 5.
All right, your assignment today is page 188 through 190. It's 3 pages worth. 188 through 190. (188) through 190, numbers 1 through 20. Second graders, are you guys all done with extra math?